Hi, in this video, we're going to show our realtors how they can sync their calendars and their listings with real-time or other reservation management software. So in this example, we're first going to look up the listing that we want to add the calendar from real-time from. In this case, it's listing number 2866. If we find that listing, we're going to go to Edit and then go to the Calendar tab. Okay, once you get to the calendar tab, the first thing you're going to want to do is delete any bookings that might already exist. So if you scroll to the bottom and if you click on this box at the top, it will select all the bookings, and then under the action bar, select delete. So once done, you'll see that all those bookings are gone, and now the calendar is all green and gray with no weeks blocked out. Okay, so you want to start from a clean slate. You don't want to import bookings on top of manual bookings. Things will get confusing that way. So the next step is to go to real-time rentals, and in real-time rentals you'll have to do a search to find the property that you want to sync. So in this case, we're going to search by address, and we're going to type in 216 East 18th Street, and we're going to do a search, and this property happens to be in North Beach Haven too. So here it is, 216 East 18th Street, North Beach Haven, and this is the correct property that we want to sync the calendars. So you want to go to View Availability in the options here. And they make it really easy. This link right beneath the calendar right here, it says download availability in iCal format. This is the link that we need in our website to sync the calendars. So select the entire link, exactly what I have there in blue, right click and copy. Then come back to our website, VRLBI, or websites for Ocean City and Wildwood too. And under your calendar tab at the top, we have these sub tabs for iCal import. Click on iCal import, simply put your cursor in this box for iCal URL, right click and select paste. Okay, so we just copied that URL from real time, all right, from here, this URL, and then we put it on our website under the iCal URL. Now you click on iCal import and you'll notice we've got no red here. We click on iCal import, it takes a second or two, and now all the weeks are blocked out in red. Okay, so we just synced listing number 2866 on VRLBI with its related iCal calendar on real time. What this means is every time you block a week out on real time, it will sync to our website and it'll block out the corresponding week, so you won't have to update your calendar anymore. Okay, if a week opens up, it'll open up the week as well. Okay, we do this sync twice a day. The sync comes in every AM and PM, so it's not immediate. So just give it 12 hours or so, and then the listing should update with any bookings that you add. It's also important to note too that we are blocking out all of these different variations of bookings that you could put in real time. So you'll notice on our calendar, the owner reservations were blocked out in red. That's what's on green. The yellow dates, which are the reservation lease, they were blocked out in red, and so were the orange, which were the broker holds. Okay, so all these were blocked out in red. So if we compare the calendars, you'll see this particular listing looks like 2 weeks in July, 1 in August available, and if we look here, you'll see the 2 weeks in July, 1 in August available. Okay, so that's how you sync your calendars between real-time rentals and any one of our regional listing websites, including VRLBI, VRWW, and VROCNJ. Thanks.